Welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. I'm here in Texas recording some videos just for you. How fun. Today we're going to record Chill Factor. It's done to many different songs and has several variations, but this is the one that we like. It's 48 counts, 4 walls, and 64 count introduction. So let's go. Here's a preview of the steps. From the top, scuff, toe, turn it in, turn it out, kick, ball, change, step, half pivot, step, behind and heel and cross, quarter turn, cross, scene, shuffle, and a rock, recover, and a weave to the front, rock, recover, and a coaster step, kick and heel and behind, unwind 3/4, step, kick, step, clap, clap, or one clap. So we're going to do a triple step and a triple step and a step, half pivot and a step, quarter pivot and out and in and out and out and step and heel and step and heel. That's it. Break it down. The first 8 counts, the first 8 steps are scuff, touch your toe, turn your knee in, and when you turn it out, you're going to do a little turn to the over your right shoulder, quarter turn. Then we do a kick, ball, change, and a right half pivot. Okay, one more time. The steps. Scuff, touch, in, out, kick, ball, change, step, half pivot. The first 8 steps with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good. Moving on. So the second 8, the steps are rock, behind and heel and cross, quarter turn, cross and cross. One more time. Second 8, rock, behind and heel and cross with the right, step left, quarter turn, step right, quarter turn, and left crossing shuffle. All right, with counts. Second 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Next 8, the third 8, is a rock to the right, recover with the left, and a weave, doing a quarter turn over your left shoulder to back to the home wall. So behind, side, forward. And then we do a rock, recover, and a coaster step. Yes. So it's rock, recover, and a weave, and a rock, recover, and a coaster step. And a coaster step is just back, back, forward. All right, let's try that with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Fourth, kick and heel and behind, unwind. Step with your left, kick with your right, go back with your right, and cross your left toe over. Here we go. With steps, we're going to kick and heel. So kick and heel and behind, 3/4 unwind, step left, kick right, back, clap. Cross your toe and clap. All right, one more time, and then we'll do it with counts. So next 8 from the top with words. Do a kick with the right and a heel with the left and behind with the right, uncross, doing a 3/4 turn over your right shoulder. Then we step with our left, kick with our right, step back with our right, cross left, and clap. With counts from the top on this 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. One more time for me. Here we go. Starting with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Next 8. We're going to do a triple step or a lock step. This way, that way. So triple step with your left to this wall. Now we're going to do a quarter turn and do a triple step to that wall. Then we're going to do a step half pivot, and a step, quarter pivot. Yes. So we just did our step, kick, step, clap, clap. So we do triple step left, triple step right, left half pivot, left quarter pivot. Good. With counts. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're facing this wall now. We're going to stay here for a minute. And the last 8, jump forward, jump back, jump forward, jump forward, step, heel, and step, and heel. Here we go. Last 8. Yay! So we jump forward, jump back, jump forward, and step, and heel, and step, and heel. And it's really fast. Here we go. With words, 5, 6, 7, 8. And jump, and back, and forward, and step, and heel, and together, and heel. So it's like a heel jack without the cross. Okay, here we go. Let's try it one more time with words and then with counts. The last 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And forward, and back, and forward, and step, and heel, and step, and heel. Then you're ready to scuff, to move on. Counts on the last 8. Are you ready? Here we go. Remember, they're really fast. I won't do them really fast right now, but they're pretty fast. So stay on your toes. From the top, the last 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right, let's put it all together. With words first and then with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Scuff, toe, in, turn, kick, ball change, step, half pivot, step, behind and heel and cross, quarter, quarter, cross and cross, rock, recover and a weave, and a rock, recover and a coaster, step, and a kick and a heel and a cross, wind and step, kick, step, clap, clap, and a triple step, and a triple step, and a step, half pivot and a step, half pivot and forward and back and forward, heel and together and heel and together. All right, let's do it with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. That's it.